Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Age of Empires 2 for beginners. To start, your main goal is to build a thriving civilization and conquer your enemies. You'll need to gather essential resources such as food, wood, gold, and stone to advance through 4 historical ages: the Dark Age, Feudal Age, Castle Age, and Imperial Age. Each age unlocks new technologies and units, making strategic progression key to victory. Effective resource management is crucial for success. Your villagers are your workforce. Assign them to gather food from various sources like berries, farms, and hunting animals. They also chop wood from forests and mine gold and stone. Always keep your town center busy producing new villagers, aiming for at least 125 to 150 villagers by the late game to ensure a strong economy. Advancing through the ages is fundamental. To move from the Dark Age to the Feudal Age, you'll need to gather 500 food and build 2 specific buildings, such as a barracks and a mill. Each subsequent age requires more resources and specific structures. Progressing quickly allows you to unlock powerful new units and technologies, giving you a significant advantage over opponents still in earlier ages. Once you have a stable economy, it's time to think about defense and offense. Build a barracks to train basic military units like militia or spearmen. Use your starting scout cavalry to explore the map, locate enemy town centers, and find valuable resources. Remember to protect your vulnerable villagers and economic buildings from early enemy raids to maintain your resource flow and secure your victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.